Welcome back, everybody. As I promised to you that the next lesson would be this one that we are about to have now, which is about alphabet in Portuguese. So stay tuned and you will receive everything about alphabet in Portuguese. Don't forget to like this video, to share and show to the others that really like is such a thing, like content is really good. This one we saw when we was speaking about vowels in Portuguese. So this we read like a in English. A. This one a. In Portuguese, this one is not anymore B, but is be. Be. You see? This one too is not more C, but is se. You know, just change C to se. It's something so it's not too much difficult. It's so easy. You know, from here after this one a, which one we read like a. So Portuguese is a, and a after a you just change the e and you put a like this. Be, se, de, not b c d. No, be, se, de. So it is like this: a, b, c, d. This one too we spoke about in last lesson. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, F, no F, F, F. This one F. J is not J anymore because we are speaking about Portuguese. So in Portuguese, J becomes J. You know, as this one too, like B, C, D, J, J. H is not H anymore in Portuguese, is aga, aga, aga. You see? So here we go: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You know, it's not more like a G. This one is J, J, and this one is not K, is kappa, 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 L, M, N, O. You see? Let's repeat again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, one H, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. P, K, you know, is not more P. You change P to P. K is not anymore Q. This one is K. R, S. Yeah, this one sounds like really English. You know, S. T is not T. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. We say in English is Z, but this one is Z. You know, Portuguese is so easy because there are something in English that are similar with Portuguese. So it is so easy, and you can write down or you can take note about this thing right there in exercise book, and then you're going to practice day by day, and you can see that it's so easy. Some words that we want to read, and then we're going to spell the letters. So let's go to see the first one here. We have here livro. Livro means book. Livro. So how can we spell this? L E L L I V R O. L I V R O. Livro. L I V R O. Livro. Cadeira, chair. Cadeira. C-A-D-E-I-R-A. C-A-D-E-I-R-A. Cadeira. Caneta, pen. We use it to write, pen. Caneta. C-A-N-E-T-A. Caneta. Vida, life. Vida. V-I-D-A. V-I-D-A. Vida. V-I-D-A. V-I-D-A. Vida. V-I-D-A. Vida. So you're going to repeat this many times, so that you can get the right way how you can pronounce them. I have here one exercise that I want to let with you, and you're going to see and how you can you will do something like I was doing, spelling the letters. Read the word and then spell the letters. The next time, tinta, loja. So you can take time and see how you can spell this word. Start from E, and then we will have another lesson for the next time. I will bring more news, so stay connected and see what is the next lesson. Goodbye, and God bless you too much.